getting pollen from the flower?
There's the fluffy bee, bumblebee. I think that's a worker bee. And it's all fuzzy. She's getting pollen from the flower. There she is. She is a worker bee, and I think I got off of her. Look it. She's getting pollen from the flowers.
Do those bees have the stinkers on it?
Yes, they do. You don't want to bother them, but she's working. That's a female. She's working hard, too, trying to get the she's working hard, her little self. That's a bumblebee. The bumblebees are fluffy. There she goes. I know. I done lost it. Where is the camera? There she is. She done bent the flower all over. Look at that. Woo! She's flying. She trying to find her. It went over there. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to see you throw.
1, 2.
They hit the tree. Did it go down the...
It'll roll down there.
It rolled down the little ditch.
Rolling and roll. Chop, 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 chop. And rolling.
It rolled down here.
Rolling. Roll.
It rolled down there.
And now it's gone.
Okay.
Okay.
We saw some deers. A family of deers crossing that road over there yesterday. This is where we are. We're at my mother-in-law and her fiance's house. And I am showing what is across the street from their house. It's woods right across the way.
One.
What's wrong? Why are you frozen?
Hey, Papa.
Oh.
Yeah, it didn't work.